The session that I was on had an East Coast developer, which was myself, a West Coast developer, which was Jeff Stack from Saris Regis, and an equity provider, which was Seth Martin from Pritzker. And it was interesting to see our respective outlooks on where we are in the cycle. I had commented that I believed we were in something like the 7th inning of the development cycle in Washington, whereas Jeff believed he was in the 3rd or 4th inning in California. Seth agreed with both of us, and he was which is interesting. He's from Chicago, so he sees both perspectives. So it's interesting to see that different parts of the country are moving at different speeds. From my perspective, DC is certainly beginning to get potentially oversupplied at this point. We've begun to see some glimmers of hope on the for sale side. We have a for sale business, and on some of our communities, those that are priced appropriately, in my region appropriately, would be on the lower end, maybe 300 to 500,000. So first-time home buyers or home buyers in that range. We still believe, though, that we have to we collectively as an industry have to slug through a lot of inventory, foreclosure inventory and new home inventory. I think it'll take another year. So I think if the end of 2012, 2013 even would be when I expect that. I think 2013 is when we'll begin to see a true recovery in the home market. It's interesting. I explained on our panel that we really believe that design in apartments is the new thing. It's the important driving differentiator between my product or another person's product. Just like when you can use a PC computer or you can use an Apple. And the generation that we are mostly renting to has embraced this design-centric culture. And we believe very strongly that that's a very important element now in the apartment industry. So we're looking forward to being an innovator as much as we can and learning also from our competitors who are doing some terrific things as well.